Hey everybody, it's Shark Scrapper. Welcome back for another Wednesday's Bytes computer scrap out. Looks like we already got a head start going on this one. What in the world could have happened to this computer? I mean, it is beat up, banged up, and tore apart. We still got the motherboard here, so we're going to pry this thing out and figure out what's going on. Looks like we still have a hard drive here too. All right, well, come on. Let's dive into this mess and see what we find. All right, let's see here. We got some shred. That's just an old floppy, so that'll just be shred. And we got some wire, got some gold pins, gold connector ends. So we'll get the wire cut off of there. Put you guys in with gold connector ends. There we go. Yeah, so somehow or another the RAM still managed to hang on here. 256. All right, let's get out of the way, get you out of the way, get some cable disconnected here. So there's our motherboard. Let's go ahead and deal with the motherboard. So we get the battery off of here. Fortunately, the screws still turn. Somebody got very mad at their computer. Or it fell out of their car while they were driving down the road, or God knows what happened there. That's easy enough to deal with. All right, so we have a small socket green. Nothing to get terribly excited about here. It's just a small socket green for my yard. And some more shred. All right, what are you? You are the CD, and boy howdy are you messed up. Oh, there's a gold connector and wire, gold connector, and let's see if you'll open up. Trying to get a good angle on these screws because they're all goobered up in there. That's the official technical term, goobered up. I'm sure a lot of you know this trick. If you're new to scrapping, if a screw doesn't want to turn out, give it a little tighten twist. Sometimes you'll even feel a little bit of a click when you do that, and then you can try to go counterclockwise to unscrew it. That frequently works to loosen that up to get it to unscrew. There we go. There's one. And you were kind of coming out, so let's see if you want to finish coming out. There's two. You don't want to play at all. You kind of want to play. should be sufficient. Look at that. Came right off for us. Oh my. All right. What are we dealing with here? No gold there. There's a cd-rom board. Oh, I need to get a box ready for board sort. We're getting filled up there. Oops. And we got brass here. Get you off of there. Let's see, since this thing is already in such bad shape, if this motor wants to come off. Yeah, there's another little motor. Put you down with our motors. You in shred. Now there's a little motor here. So since this came off anyway, let's go ahead and get after you. There we go. Motor, some wire, low grade, trash, and some stuff to go in with the little bit of shred. There. All right, now, what's next? Fan. All right. Now then, PCI slot card, power supply, and the slot card came out easy enough. You should be easy enough too. There we go. There's some more shred. Hopefully you all have seen the video hopefully you've watched the video that I did on power supplies when I dug into breaking them down and trying to get the most value out of them. If you haven't, I will put the link for it in up here so that you can go in and take a look and explore the different ways to derive value and the cost-benefit analysis for breaking down power supplies. That was a lot of fun putting that video together. I had a good time doing that. All right, now what do we have here? We have some wire, gold connector in. No, that's weird. Would have thought that would have been gold connector ends there. And let's see if we can get you out of there. There we go. All right, now there's nothing more here except shred. So you're gonna go with shred. All right, and you were shred. So there you go. That's our beat up, mistreated PC. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not contributed to the Shark Scrapper Shark Adoption Project yet, it's real easy. Just drop me some bucks on my PayPal account at paypal.me/Shark Scrapper. We are closing in on our $3,000 so that we can adopt a shark in 2022. I thank everybody for their donations thus far. And oh, look at that. There's some gold pins. We're going to have to pull those off of there. I also want to thank everybody who has subscribed to the channel. If you have not already subscribed, please do so. It's going to be the icon in the middle of the two links that are taking you to more e-waste scrapping videos. Have a great day, everybody.